Ipft 2022. This is the first meeting of our executive committee, and in our agenda we have to have a portfolio sharing, because we cannot allot all the portfolio. Today allocation will be given to each and everybody, who will be the vice president, who will be the finance secretary, who will be spokesperson. All these things will be discussed. We frame the our portfolio, and secondly we try to revive our party Ipft. As you all know, we are the largest party and the strongest party so far, but somehow there are some problem after the election, this election. But we are very hopeful and confident that we can revive our party, and taking all the confidence of the youth and women wing and the student wing and our employee and ex-army, all are come together and to discuss today's our strategy, and we will talk out our plan project today. So it is very important meeting for us. It is just beginning, and it will be a good beginning. Thank you.